notes sa bible.com na may namang kay way nga makabutang og notes. And then nag-check ko sa among conversation ni God through His Word, and then abot ko last year. Then naay naka-highlight na ko nga verse, and this is in Acts chapter 20 verse 24. It says, "But I do not account my life of any value nor as precious to myself, if only I may finish my course and the ministry that I received from the Lord Jesus, to testify to the gospel of the grace of God." So when I read this, guys, na-enlighten ko, na-refresh ko ba for what is the reason why I'm doing this. Um, Sakto nga, my life will be worthless if I will not speak the grace of God, the grace of salvation. Kay if ang tao manggod makadawat sa kaluwasan sa Ginoo, musturya og musturya gyud na siya kung unsa ka maayo ang Ginoo, kung unsa ka tinud ang Ginoo. Because mao na ang isa sa reason nganong giluwas ka sa Ginoo, for you to speak up and stand for the truth of God. And yeah, I hope guys na one day you will understand the grace of God, and you will be also the one who will speak for the Lord.